Hi guys, this is about the restoration of the wheels of my Fiat 500. This is what they look like after sandblasting, powder coating, and pretty much in an original shade. But that's not how they started. So here's how they started. Pretty rusty and used up, most likely with a dimple in the wrong side from the locating pin. So that had to be repaired first. Probably with a little heat, hammer the dimple down, then grind it down flat. Straighten out the edge, the lips. Sand down the edge so nice and smooth so that the tire will seal well, especially if we intend to use a tubeless tire. And then sandblast and powder coating. And this is what they look like. I think they look pretty cool. And the look is pretty much original, in the right shade. All it needs now is a set of tires, and it should roll on its own wheels very soon. Thanks.